Good morning, everybody. So, in the previous class, we have learned about regular expressions. So, what do you mean by a regular expression is? It is used to describe a token, right? So, that we have understood. So, regular expression will make use of meta characters such as dot, it may be a plus, it may be a star, it may be any character class, these square brackets, right? So, etc. So, a regular expression, by making use of these meta characters, we are able to write a regular expression. Okay. So, some of the students or some of the members will think that this dot plus star and character class, that itself regular expression. So, that is not the actual thing. So, if you make use of these meta characters to write the regular expression, you will make use of these meta characters to write the one kind of regular expression. So, for example, if I, by making use of this character class, if I write here 0 to 9, okay, it matches 0 to 9, and here if I write here plus, this is a regular expression. So, plus is for one or more occurrences. So, this is the thing that we have understood in the previous class. So, in today's class, we will understand about extracting the data using regular expressions. How you can extract data with the help of regular expressions, right? So, that is what the thing that we need to discuss and we need to understand. So, if I take one example, how exactly I can extract data? Simple, the statement or the sentence I will take. Okay. So, let us consider, str is equal to, right? Str is equal to, I will consider a string. Let us say, I am in AIT, I will say, take what? Small letter, AIT. At CKM. Okay. So, this is my string. So, what is the string I have taken here? So, I am in AIT at CKM. So, this is my string. Now, what I am interested in this string is, I want to extract only, the characters. It should have some characters followed by @ symbol, and then it should have any number of characters. So, if that is the case, if I want to extract only AIT at CKM, then at that point of time it is possible with the help of, by making or extracting the given possible data with the help of regular expressions. You can extract data by making use of regular expressions. Okay. So, here I have considered one kind of an example. str is equal to, I am in AIT CKM. Okay. I am interested in only extracting AIT at CKM. I don't want I am in. Okay. So, only I am interested in AIT at CKM. So, for this, what I have to take here is, I have to import one, a library. So, I will take here import RE, that means regular expression. Import regular expression. str is equal to, I am in AIT at CKM. Fine. Now, what I have to do? I have to make one kind of a list. I will take one list. Let us say here LST. LST is equal to, right? I have taken here RE, I will take, because it's a regular expression, it's a library. Okay, it's a library. Dot. I will make use of a method which is find all. What exactly it will do? This method, I will make use of find all. Okay, find ALL, FIND ALL. This is a method which searches the string in the second argument and returns the list of string. Okay, that returns the list of string. Find all. Okay, so here I am making use of a method. It is a method. What exactly it will do? It searches the string in the second argument. And what exactly it returns? It returns list of all the strings that look like email address. Okay. So for that reason I am making use of a method which is called find all. And in that method, what I have to give? I have to give here, to which I have to go on what? Searching. What exactly I need to search. So within single inverted quote, I have to give here backslash yes. Backslash yes. So it matches the non-white space characters. Non-white space characters. It is capital S. Non-white space. Non-white space means they are characters. So that is why I am using here backslash yes. And I am making use of here plus. That is one or more occurrences. Is that clear to everybody? One or more occurrences. So this is for AIT. Because it is a string. And after AIT, what I have? At the rate symbol. So I have to make use of at. I have to make use of at. Okay. And then what exactly? And again you have what? String. So again I have to make use of backslash yes. Backslash yes. And again it may have one or more occurrences. Again I can have one or more occurrences. That is why I have to make use of plus. And what exactly I have to print here? So I need to extract the string that is in the stored string, that is str. So I have to give here str. I have to give here str. Okay. So I am extracting the given set of one kind of email address that is to a list. Okay. So lst is equal to re, that is a library regular expression dot find all, and then you have to go on what? Finding the non-white space characters backslash yes, and then one or more occurrences you may find, that is plus at symbol and followed by backslash yes, and one or more occurrences again you may have what? Non-white space characters, and that you need to extract in the stored string, that is str. Okay. And what you have to do next? You have to simply say print print and then lst. Print lst. What exactly it prints? It prints here. If you find one kind of at the rate symbol, that will be extracted. So the output will be, it prints, the output of this particular program will be, it prints only here AIT at CKM. AIT at CKM. So this is what actually extracting data. So if you want to extract the email address that is in a stored string, so it is possible with the help of regular expressions. So how we can make use of regular expression for extracting the data in strings, right? So this is storing the string in a variable and extracting the information. Now what we can do, we can understand one more. We can go on what? Extracting the the information that is from a file also. That is from a file. Okay. So here what you can do, same. So instead of taking here, instead of taking one kind of str is equal to I am in AIT CKM, that may be stored in the form in what? A file. And from that file you can extract the information. Okay. So that we will see now. How exactly you may go on extracting the data from files. So again you have to make use of import re, and you have to create a file. So let us say I have created a file abc.txt, and here I have taken a string here. I am in AIT at CKM. So this is my string, or this is my text which has been stored in a file abc.txt. Fine. Now what I have to do, I have to open that file. So I will say here handler is equal to open. I will say here open, and then here within single inverted quote what I will say abc.txt, right? Or else you can make use of hand, that is, or else anything you can say, and you probably you are able to take the file name, that is input. right? And then you can give fopen of that file name also you can give. That is also possible. So in either way, in any form of the way or in any way, you can write a program. So I am making this particular program simple one. That is why I am taking it directly. And is equal to open of abc.txt. Now what I have to do, I have to take here a loop. So I will say I will take for line in hand. I will take here for line in hand. Okay. And then what I have to do, if there is some unnecessary white spaces, then I can take line is equal to line dot r strict. Okay. Unnecessary, more than one spaces are unnecessary spaces that you may find in your text file that may be neglected. So that is why you can say line is equal to line dot r strict. And I have to take here x is equal to, I will take x is equal to re, this regular expression, dot find all. It is the method. It searches for the particular second argument. Okay. And here what I can do, so here I am going for writing here within single inverted quote \s plus, and then here at, and then again \s, and then I am finding here, I am writing here plus, and then what I have to do, I need to find that particular, extract that information in what, line. I have to extract that information from line. Okay. And then what I may do here, I may go on what writing here, print, I may say, and then x, print x. What exactly it prints? AIT. So same program, right? Previously, from where I have written that, storing that string and then extracting the information, I am showing the same program with the help of a file. So this is also possible as and when if you want to extract certain amount of data by you making use of regular expression. Okay. And here, right? So I need to find if a desired amount of match is found, then only it has to print, right? So again here again you are able to go on what finding, right? So you may go on what you may take here, if len of x, you may say here length of x, okay, is greater than 0, length of x is greater than 0. If you find a match, then only it has to print, right? So then you may say here print then x. If it is greater than 0, then only it has to print. So that is also you can write as and when, if more number of matches, or if the number of or length of the text is greater than 0, then only it has to print. Or else simply you may give here print x, it matches or it prints. So this is extracting data with the help of a file. So previously what we have done, we have stored a string in a variable and we have extracted the information. So this is how you can go on extracting the things with the help of a regular expression. And here you may write character classes also. All non-white space characters you are listing here. If you want to write specifically, you may write. If you want specifically, you may write. So if I want here, instead of this, I want here A to Z. I need to find A to Z. I want to find 0 to 9 and capital A to Z. So that is also possible. Instead of \s, you may write specifically A to Z, 0 to 9, A to Z. Okay. So that is possible. And if you make use of proper regular expressions, that is possible, and it will returns the given actual output. Desired amount of output is, it returns the desired amount of output. So in any particular way, the user can write or modify a particular program. Okay. So that is how you can go on extracting the data using regular expression. Fine. Now, after understanding how to extract the data using regular expression, we will move on. So how to combining how to combine searching and extracting, right? So previously we have done searching and now we have understood extract. Now we want to combine it. So how exactly we may combine searching and extract, right? So that we will understand now. Okay, how to combine searching and extract. So our next topic will be combining searching and extracting. Combining searching and extracting. So we may go on combining here, concatenating searching, right? And we are going for extracting the desired amount of a particular data by making use of a regular expression. So that is possible. So how exactly we may do that, so that we may understand by a simple program. Okay, so combining searching, we need to find. We have done that. Okay, and here we have extracted certain amount of data, that is from file and from string. Now what exactly we may do, we will combine it. So we will write a simple program here. So how exactly we are able to search for the lines that starts with X, okay, which followed by any non-white space characters, okay, and followed by a space and any number. The number can include what? A decimal. So here we are going for combining searching and one kind of extracting. So that is the possible thing that we will do. Now here, what exactly we are able to do? So we can make use of here, we can make use of a file for this. So how exactly we may search and we may extract. Okay. So now here I will take IMPORT RE. I will take IMPORT regular expression. And here what exactly we are looking for here is we want to extract as well as we need to search. We want to search and we need to extract. So let us take one simple one, an example, right? So basically here I may find here one file here. I will take abc.txt. I will take abc.txt. So what the information that need to be present in this file will be, okay. So I will take x, okay, and I will make use of any particular any non-white space character. You may take here ABC, you may take here ABC and then colon, and then I have to make use of what here? Decimal activity. Let us say here 0.84. Then I am going for again extracting here x and then DEF, and then here I may say 0.75. So these two are the information that you may find in a file which is abc.txt. Okay, this information is present in a file abc.txt. Now what I am supposed to do here is I will go on using here HAND is equal to, I will say here OPEN, I will say OPEN of ABC within single inverted quote. I will take abc.txt, simple one, okay. So abc.txt. After that what I have to do, I have to go on searching here. So for line in hand, okay, will say, and if there is any more spaces, then I have to eliminate it. So I will say here line is equal to line dot r strip. Then say line is equal to line dot r strip. Line is equal to line dot r strip. Okay. And then what I have to do? I have to go on what? Searching here. Desired amount of information is found or not. Okay. So I will say here if RE regular expression, and then I have to make use of a method which is called search. I will make use of a method which is called search. What exactly you have to find, right? Desired amount. So SEARCH, and what exactly you have to find here? It has to find which starts with the x. Then I have to go on what? Using here a cap, and then I should give here x. It should start with x, and non-white space characters. Non-white space characters means I have to make use of \s. Okay. And here what we are interested here is any. We have not, at least one we have not set the constraint such that if we say at least one, then you have to make use of plus, but we have not set that it may or may not be present. That is why you have to make use of here what? 0 or more occurrences, that is star. 0 or more occurrences, star. And what you have to do here is it should followed by a colon. Colon you have to take. And what you are able to give here, and then here you have to make use of a character class, and then it should followed by a decimal number. Decimal number, right? So I have to give here 0 to 9. 0 to 9 is for integer, 0 point, and then you have a dot. Should make use of what here? A dot, right? You should make use of a dot, and then you have to close it here, and then you have to say one or more occurrences of that digit that may be possible, because 0.84 means 2 digits, right? So that is why you have to make use of one meta character which is called plus, right? And this you have to search, and that need to be here searched in what? A line, in a line. And what you have to do, if that is the case, simply what I have to do, I have to go on what? Printing that line. I have to print that line. So this simple particular program will explain you what is it extracts and it combines. See, we have searched and we are extracting. So such kind of combining searching and extracting the given amount of the data from a particular file, then we may say it as combining and extracting data using regular expressions. So here you may go on what? Taking any sort of what an activity you may perform. So this is combining, searching and extracting. So in this program, what we have intended, what we are able to extract is, so this is a file which is abc.txt. In that one, so it has some amount of information. So x abc colon 0.84. That need to be extracted. So for that what we have to do, we have to take a handler, open abc.txt, directly we are taking for lining f hand, line is equal to line dot r strip. It neglects different amount of what here, the spaces, and re dot search. Search is a method, right? We need to find that re dot search, which is a method, and which starts with a particular character which is called x. That is why you have to make use of a cap symbol. And what you need to do, you have to go on taking here \s, that non-white space character it will match. But here what is the constraint? Any we have said, not at least. So that is why I will make use of a regular meta character which is called star, and then I will put colon, and then in the character class I will say 0 to 9, because a decimal number I have said that in my problem statement. So 0 to 9, and then I will place a dot, one or more occurrences here, So that is why I am making use of in plus and then followed by right. So this is how I can go on extracting the desired amount of information, as well as you can perform what here, searching. You can perform searching. So this is how I can go on combining searching and extracting. Okay. So this is one simple program that we are able to combine searching and extracting. Right. Now, after understanding, you may write plenty of programs as per the need of a user. Right. So you need to understand the method only. How exactly I know. Now we need to understand another one here, so that we may say it as escape character. We may say it as escape character. What exactly the escape character is? See, escape character, the name itself says escape means skip, right? So if I want to skip something in a regular expression or in any desired amount of text, how exactly I may give, right? So how exactly I can make use of the escape character? So that we need to understand in this particular, one particular concept here, how to make use of the escape character in one kind of a regular expression, right? So for that, what exactly we are able to go on using one kind of backslash, right? And here we are making use of a dollar symbol. See, backslash yes we have used, that is for matching non-white space character, okay. So that is backslash yes. So now here, if I make use of a backslash and dollar, so this is escape character. So don't get confused here. Backslash capital S for non-white space character, and here if you use here backslash dollar, then it is a escape character. Right? So basically here I am going with the given particular text. Right? So I'll take one small program to explain or to understand how exactly I can make use of escape character. Okay, so here I am making use of here import and import like our expression. I will take a string. See, x is equal to, I will take the same string. Let us say here. So we just received dollar, okay, 10.00 for cookies. So this is a simple program. So this is a simple string. I have taken x is equal to, we just received $10 for cookies. And what I will do here is, I will say y is equal to RE, regular expression, dot find all. I will make use of method find all. What I need to find? See, I will say within single inverted quote, I will say here backslash and then I will make use of dollar. Okay, backslash dollar. And then what I will give here? I will say here 0 to 9. I will give 0 to 9 and then I will give here dot and then one kind of plus. One or more occurrences plus, and then I will close this, and here from where exactly, in what x, re dot find all backslash dollar 0 to 9 dot character class I will close, one or more occurrences, then I will say here plus. Okay, so this is how we are able to make use of the dollar symbol. What exactly dollar symbol will do? Dollar symbol will go for it is a escape character. The desired amount of characters will be escape. Okay. So here we are going for extracting, that escaping the given activity, finding, right? Finding, we are going for finding the match. Okay. So what exactly it will do? It actually, if you give this statement, what exactly it will do? It matches the dollar sign in the input string instead of matching end of the line. Right? So here what we need to understand here is, so we are able to go on what? Understanding here, this dollar symbol, it matches the dollar sign, right, in the input string instead of matching the end of the line. Okay. So that is how we are able to go on what? Using here dollar. And what exactly it will do? So it will go on what? Giving the one kind of the things such that, so rest of the regular expressions, it matches one or more digits or the period character. That means we are going for matching one kind of a regular expression, that is a dollar, instead of end of the line. Okay. So that is why we are able to go on what? Using here escape characters. That is why we can make use of this dollar for escape, as a escape character, So that is why we have called this as the escape character. And dollar, we may give the explanation, or we may go on what? Giving the what exactly the functionality of a dollar is. It matches the end of the line. Itself, right? So that is how we may say it as the escape character, right? So it matches the end of the line. So that is why we are able to go on what? Using here dollar, right? So that is how we may say it as the escape character, right? And then we are able to go on what? Extracting the things. How exactly we are able to give one kind of, escaping the given particular character in a given string. So this is escape character. Escape character is dollar. What exactly it will do? It matches the end of the line. Okay. End of the line. And dot is, it matches the beginning of the line. So a cap is it matches the beginning of the line. Okay, so that is the difference that you can make out with one dollar and cap symbol. So here I am going for using one kind of the dollar and cap. So dollar is for matching the end of the line itself. So this is how we may go on using the escape character for escaping, or for indicating the desired, for extracting the desired amount of any particular string in a given particular desired amount of text in a string. So that is how we are able to make use of escape character. It is about dollar. So we need to understand the each and individual functionality of a meta character, as and when we are making use of a given particular any particular the meta characters in regular expressions. So this is how I can go on using the different meta characters for extracting, for combining, and for searching different the data, by making use of regular expressions, right? So this is about your third module. So that is regular expression. So this completes your third module, and the fourth module we need to understand in the object oriented concepts in Python. So that is to be termed as classes and objects. And that we will understand in my next class. Thank you.